Are you ready for an unforgettable experience in the natural paradise of Asturias? Welcome to the Green Paradise, a land where stunning landscapes greet you at every turn. Here, the majestic mountains of the Picos de Europa touch the sky, while the impressive beaches of the Cantabrian coast kiss the crystal blue sea. From rugged cliffs and hidden coves to golden sandy beaches like Playa de Gulpiuri, Asturias is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Asturias, where nature's beauty leaves you breathless. Are you ready for a dose of adrenaline? Welcome to Asturias, where the great outdoors is your playground. Picture yourself hiking through the breathtaking Picos de Europa, conquering peaks that pierce the sky. Or maybe you fancy catching waves at San Lorenzo Beach in Gijon, where the surf is as exhilarating as it gets. From mountaintops to ocean waves, Asturias offers a wide range of adventures that will make your heart race. Asturias, your outdoor adventure playground. Prepare your palate for a gastronomic delight. Asturias is a treasure trove of culinary wonders waiting to be discovered. Feast on the famous cachopo, a traditional dish of breaded veal fillets stuffed with ham and cheese, a testament to the region's rich, hearty cuisine. Then there's the exquisite fabada asturiana, a stew of white beans, chorizo, and black pudding that will transport you to culinary heaven. Each bite, a symphony of flavors, each dish, a testament to Asturias's gastronomic prowess. Asturias, a culinary heaven. Dive into the rich history of Asturias. Here, time-honored tales meet stone and mortar in charming towns and cities brimming with medieval architecture. Picture Oviedo, home to the Grand Cathedral of San Salvador, a testament to Asturias's deep-rooted faith and artistic prowess. Not far away, Cudillero, a picturesque fishing village, awaits, its narrow cobblestone streets winding through a kaleidoscope of colorful houses. Each corner, each stone whispers tales of yesteryears. This is Asturias, where history meets architecture. When the sun sets, Asturias comes alive. The region transforms into a playground of endless fun, brimming with vibrant color and energy. From the cozy cider bars, where laughter and conversations flow as freely as the local brew, to the pulsating beat of modern nightclubs in Gijon and Oviedo, there's a rhythm for every soul. And as you sway to the music or simply soak in the lively atmosphere, remember, this is Asturias, where the fun never sets. Asturias will captivate you with its natural beauty, rich culture, and delectable gastronomy. Every corner of this region is waiting to welcome you, ready for you to dive into an unforgettable experience. With towering mountains, breathtaking beaches, thrilling outdoor activities, mouth-watering cuisine, and a vibrant nightlife, Asturias is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an emotion. It's a place where you can fall in love over and over again. Come to Asturias and let your adventure begin.